You can't pay him to give you the suck. What's your kink? Paying for sex? I'm just kidding, Moose. I'm sorry. That was rude of me. I didn't mean it, Moose. I'm sorry.
Oh
my god!
Dude, stop. I have a raging boner.
Do I sound different without the pop filter?
No.
Your mic has a pop filter?
Bailey,
Yes?
every time you get a kill, you have to wheeze.
Okay.
Get over here!
What was that?
Hello there.
What the fuck?
Ooh. Oh, yo, Yasuo. Let's go. No, he's gonna use the friggin' minions to get closer to me!
Armor piercer!
Kiana, bye-bye! Delete him! Stevie! No! Oh!
Hi, how are you?
What the fuck was that damage, my guy?
Super grenade!
Holy look at all this damage!
We can join.
Come here! Thundercloud!
Oh, Brayden. Oh my god!
Oh my god, stop bro, I'm stuck!
Thundercloud!
Yeah, we're slowly catching up.
Victor scaling!
Thundercloud! With utmost efficiency. Thundercloud!
Right before one of their primaries. We do a little trolling. It's called we do a little trolling.
Meow.
Meow meow nipper.
Oh, I kill!
Yes, yes.
Lucy, hello. 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 Hello.
Yoink.
Hello.
Oh, jeez!
Action is coming.
Laser gun. Thundercloud.
Baker, what was that?
Oh my gosh!
Hey, that's pretty good.
Let's go! She ulted me and I just railed on her.
You railed misfortune.
I railed Misfortune, bro. Put that in the freaking video!
Here we go!
Sing, sing, sing.
Fancy footwork won't save you, Katarina.
What?
Laser gun.
I smell the pennies.
Stone.
Don't fucking run away from me!
Enemy chaser.
I can smell you cooking.
Good Estonian spraying, holy shit.
1, 2, 3.
Oh my goodness. Bro, save me, Brandon, save me! Oh shit!
Well, I did get soloed by Caitlyn.
Sing, sing, sing. Sing, sing.
I'll take that as a no.
Yeah, Volt Benji. Ult him, ult him, ult him. Wait, I can't see. Let me press Y. Right here. Oh, never mind.
You queued on me! You tricked me, bro!
Shoot in the back. Shoot it. Hit it from the back. Hit it back. Hit it from the back. Go bad bitch. Go bad.
Drop shot.
Holy moly.
Enemy spotted.
Do a barrel roll!
I think they, since it's a new edition, they.
Oh, it's new.
What the fuck?
Probably rotating up towards you guys. I guess by that
Everyone.
Hey, I've seen this one. This is a classic.
Like Sword Scott! Dude, I'm gonna have a heart attack! I have 3 kills.
Oh my god.
What?
F you.